Well, greetings once again to all my fellow watch enthusiasts around the world, watching on YouTube or Facebook or anywhere else this video might be seen or shared. 'Tis I once again with another of my infamous unboxing videos. I know the internet hates the term unboxing, but I don't care. Just arrived. Just a few minutes ago, literally. I only had enough time to open it up, you see, do all the razor blade work off camera because I really don't want to open up a vein in front of my fellow watch enthusiasts. But what do we have in here? I know what's in here, but you don't. But knowing my proclivity for certain watch brands, you probably have a good guess. And if you guessed that there would be a unknown box that's sealed inside that envelope, then you were smarter than I was because I didn't anticipate that. Anyway, we'll make quick work of that. So, as I was saying, knowing my proclivity for certain watch brands, you probably guessed that it is a Zelos. And good God, do I love my Zelos watches. And this one is packed a little differently than the other ones that I've gotten of this particular brand, or sub-brand, I should say. We'll just slide off the outer box, which was a little easier this time than other ones. Thank you for that. And we have the updated dark hardwood Zelos box, which I love. Just a beautiful box. And inside it, well, that pin didn't stay so good, but I don't really care about that. So inside it, we have just the typical, well, it's a little bit different looking this time. It's a different looking Zelos roll. It's a canvas, and instead of the tie being around the middle and anchored in the middle, it's now off to one side, which is nice. So, what's in here, do we think? I'm pretty sure most of you already know what's in here, but we'll hold on to the mystery for a little while. So, we have pouches. Let's see, let's work from this way to this way. Well, let's not. Let's just bounce around. Anyway, we have the Zelos copper or brass warranty card. Purchased directly from Zelos, and I have serial number 2. Oh, Elshin, you do know how to make me smile. You know I have this love of low serial numbers. We're not going to that pouch yet. We have the Zelos leather strap, which I love these. Almost all my Zeloses are on a leather strap, except for one, the stainless steel hammerhead I have actually on this strap, the canvas with the leather backing, because I think the gray looks better with the stainless steel bezel. And this one, probably not going to use that one. I'm probably going to keep it on what it's on here. And we have the Zelos spring bar tool. We got the little fork on the one end and the little pointy thing on the other. But this is the pouch where the magic is. And we have, come on, you want to come out. Yes, you do. Da-da-da! We have a Zelos Hammerhead titanium. Oh, yes. Oh, yes, yes, yes. With the meteorite face, because I am all about these meteorite faces that these guys are doing. And it's already running. Just a little movement of the box and the unboxing, and it's already going. And it's already unscrewed. Well, no, it popped, so it wasn't already, all the way unscrewed. So you guys know that that I'm very much the big fan of the, and there's my name. Thank you. So he held this one special for me. I'm flattered. And you can see the hammerhead engraving, which is typical of most of the hammerheads, except for the submarine version, which had the engraving of a Los Angeles class attack sub on it. But well, this will make, I'm going to start taking the plastic off while I chat with you guys. This will make 5 hammerheads that I have. Yes, 5 hammerheads. I have a great love for this design, or else I wouldn't have 5 of them. I wouldn't have 5 of anything if I didn't like the design of it. Oh God, that's on there tight. And I might have to work on that. Let's see. There we go. So, oops. Drop that off camera like an amateur. Well, I am an amateur, so whatever. So I am very much a fan, as I was saying, of the hammerhead design, because I like a good sized, hefty watch. And 3 of my 5 hammerheads have been stainless, and it did not come with a bracelet, and I kept it, as I said, on the canvas outside leather lined strap, and that looked good. But this one is my first one with a bracelet, and the bracelet is titanium, just like the case. Almost there. Haha. Victory is mine. Except for the one on the back. I'll get to that in a minute. And I don't think there... Oh, yep, there is one on the... Is there? Oh, I can feel it. There it is. Goodbye. So we have the meteorite face, as I said. We have the screw down crown, changing the date. Put it on the 22nd. Today's the 23rd, but we'll rotate it around and see where we're at. Oop, did it change to the 23rd? Yes, it did. Okay, so it's a little after 10 a.m. here where I'm at, so we'll just give it some energy. That should be enough. And now we concentrate on the watch itself. I love the yellow hand against the meteorite and titanium background. That really makes it stand out very nicely. The hands look like they're titanium, at least titanium colored. Obviously they're loomed, like you can see the loom in here. I wish I could do loom shots, but I can't. Nice smooth turning bezel. 120 click if I remember correctly. Oops. And my OCD kicks in. That's got to be lined up, or else it makes me crazy just staring at it. There we go. And have a nice, I mean, you can't really polish titanium per se, can you? But it does have a nice little slightly polished look here, and more of a matted look up top there. screw down crown, screw down case back, I should say. Get rid of that. Come off my fingers. And let's see, it says Zelos Hammerhead 1000 meter, well, it doesn't say meter, but 1000 meter water resistance. And let's see, what does that say? It's number 2 of 100, sapphire crystal. And let's see, Seiko. Well, that's a little different, isn't it? Seiko movement. All the other ones were SW200s, but with this one, we're going with a Seiko, and I believe it is, yeah, I wrote down S. It's a first for Zelos, I believe. First titanium watch they did. And it is a titanium bracelet with a scuba suit deployment on the side there. And it's still got some paper in there, don't I? There we go. And that came out very easily. Just these buttons makes it deploy very nicely. And just a standard push button unclasping, no double lock. I don't think that's terribly necessary, particularly since I'm not going scuba diving in it. So titanium case, titanium bracelet with a scuba deployment. Looks like maybe little screw heads for adjustment. Probably gonna have to play with those a little bit. Let's see, we have a domed, big domed sapphire crystal with anti-reflective coating. Let's see, we have a 44 millimeter diameter case. So nice big one. It wears a little smaller than 44 millimeter because these lugs don't overhang very much. So it wears, to my mind, it almost wears like a 42, but it is a 44. A 22 millimeter lug width. There. Good luck trying to get a tool in there, I guess, but I'm not changing it out anyway, so I'm not worried. It is a 49 millimeter lug to lug from there to there, on where my thumbs are. It is 17 millimeters thick, so heavy watch. Well, not heavy. I mean, it's titanium, but it's still got some good weight to it, so it feels substantial. Does not feel in any way cheap. In fact, no Zelos I own or I've ever encountered felt cheap. As I said, it's 1,000 meter water resistance. Interesting, no helium valve, but maybe one isn't really needed. And as I said, it's a 120 click unidirectional movement. See, it's not going clockwise, it only goes counterclockwise. And the Seiko NH35 movement on the inside, which means this sucker ain't gonna fail on you anytime soon. And a screw down crown. There you go. And on the crown, it's signed with the Zelos Z, and that is loomed. It is a C3 loom on the crown. On the bezel and the hands and the dial, it's a combination of C3 and BGW9 loom. So this thing's gonna glow, it's gonna glow bright, and it's gonna glow for a long time. I wish I could prove that, but I'm sure somebody else will. So let's get this thing on the wrist. Oops, wrong buttons. Get this thing on the wrist and see how it fits. fit. And you did it again, didn't you, you goof? Gonna have to learn. I mean, that is my 5th hammerhead, so I know where it's gonna wear in and how well it's gonna fit. So I was never worried about it when I placed my order. So Elshin, another fine piece of work. Can't find any fault with this. It looks great, feels great. I love the color of quote-unquote raw titanium. I really do. It just looks so nice. You know, that nice, I don't want to say, I mean, I have to say dull because I can't think of it. Well, I can say matted finish. It's not dull. There's nothing dull about a Zelos watch. Never has been for me. But a nice matted finish. It feels nice. It's nice and smooth on the edges. Crisp, you know, crisp edges, crisp facets and everything, but smooth. So it doesn't feel like you're gonna slice into yourself, but yet it looks beautifully faceted. And just a gorgeous, gorgeous overall piece of work. And I'm very happy with it, and I'm glad I got it. So I'm going to end my video on that high note, and I'm going to turn the camera off, and I'm going to start playing with the links and try and make this thing fit me, which hopefully I have the right tools and I don't jack the watch up. I haven't really done that yet well, I did it to one watch, but we won't talk about that. So, very happy with my latest Zelos. This will be number 10. Waiting for the Kickstarter program for Zelos number 11 to show up. That'll probably be in a few months. So I'll leave it there. If you have any questions or comments, definitely leave them below. Consider liking the video and consider subscribing if you're new to the channel. And I answer all comments. No matter how many come in, you get an answer. Even if you don't like the answer, or even if I don't like the question. So, have a good day. Thanks for watching, and I'll look forward to seeing you in the next video.